You guys, welcome back to another Talk with Taylor. Today's tip of the day is around law of attraction and bringing all your goals and desires and manifestations into your reality. So, what I want you to know is this. First of all, everything is energy, and you get in life what you are a vibrational match to. So, I want you to think about your goals and desires and manifestations, and think about the feeling, the emotions, the energy you will feel when you have those. How will you be when you have those? For you to bring that into your life now, you must be a vibrational match now. On that frequency, that energy frequency. Where will you be when your desires come into your life? Okay. So I must find that feeling now. You have to be a vibrational match to your manifestation. Go on about your day in the mindset and in the consciousness and in the high vibe feelings of, I already have all that I need. I already have all that I desire. It is already done. The more you can feel that high vibe feeling now, the easier it will be for that manifestation to come into your life. You have to be that vibrational match to it. You have to change that identity vibrationally. I hope that helps.